Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Code with ER. In this video guys, we are gonna learn something new, something different. In this video guys, we are gonna learn something new, something different in React.js. Okay? Yes guys, you heard it right. Today in this video, in this session, we are gonna learn something new, something different in React.js. Okay? And guys, today in this video, in this session, we are gonna learn that how we can create an awesome, dynamic and state-of-the-art to-do app using React.js and local storage as well. Okay? Yes guys, you heard it right. Today in this video, in this session, I will explain you, I will teach you guys that how we can create an awesome, dynamic and state-of-the-art to-do app using React.js and local storage as well. Okay, so guys, just to give you the demo, I have already created an example. So let me go to the example first and let me just show you the example. Let me just explain you the example so that we will get to know that today what we are gonna learn and today what we are gonna create in this video, in this session. Okay, so let me go to the example first and let me just show you the example. Let me just explain you all the features of the example as well. Okay, so guys, this is the example I have built using purely React.js and local storage as well. Okay, so guys, here we can see the heading also, an awesome React to-do app with local storage for persistent behavior. Okay, so guys, we use local storage for the persistent behavior, okay, on our system, on our machine. Okay, and guys, below we can see here one input field, and on the right hand side we can see here one button also called add task. Okay, so guys, here we can see the placeholder of this input field, enter a task. Okay, so guys, in order to save your to-do list item or your to-do list task, we have to enter here some to-do list or task. Okay, and then we have to hit this button add task. Okay, then only we will be able to see here our to-do list item or our to-do list task. Okay, but as of now we can see here we don't have a single to-do list task or item in our to-do list app. Okay, so that's why we can see here this image, and we can see here this text also saying please add some task or to-dos. Okay, so guys, if we don't have any single item, if we don't have any single task in our to-do list app, then by default this image will be shown and the text will be shown saying please add some task or to-dos. Okay, so guys, now we are gonna add some to-dos. Okay, and then only we will be able to see all the feature, all the functionality of this to-do app. Okay, so guys, now we are gonna fill some to-do task. Okay, so I'll just say here learn React. Okay, guys, either you can hit the enter or you can press this button add task in order to add the to-do task in our to-do list app. Okay, so I'm gonna hit the enter. Okay, so hit it now. You can see here task added, learn React. Okay, so click OK. You can see here now the task has been added here, and we can see here the image and the text is also now disappeared. Okay, because we have at least single task or at least single item in our to-do list app. Okay, so guys, here we can see here we have got task on the left hand side, learn React. Okay, and on the right hand side we can see three buttons also. The first button is called view task, second button is called edit task. Okay, and the third button is called delete task. Okay, so guys, let me just one more add some more to-dos. Okay, so I'll just say here learn html, hit enter, or this time I'm gonna hit this button add task. So hit it now. You can see here task added learn html. Okay, click ok. So guys, whenever you will try to submit, okay, the task without filling here anything, then also you will be able to see one alert saying please add to do. Okay, so without filling anything into this input field, just hit enter and see what happens. Okay, so hit it now. You can see here, oops, okay, please enter a valid to do. Okay, so guys, we can't add blank or the empty spaces in our to do list app. It is compulsory, it is mandatory to add at least some text, okay, some valid to do text, okay, or task. Okay, so click ok. This time I'm gonna say here learn C++, hit enter. Okay, you can see here the task added learn C++. Okay, click ok. So guys, here you can see here on each and every task item or task list. Okay, we can see here guys three buttons also: view task, edit task, and delete task. Okay, here also on the third task, view task, edit task, delete task. Here also on the third task, view task, edit task, and delete task. Okay, so guys, whatever like how many tasks you will be able to add, okay, you will be able to see these three buttons, okay, on each and every task item, on each and every list item. Okay, so let me just add a few tasks. Okay, I'll say here local storage for persistent behavior. So copy this text and paste it here and hit this button add task. You can see here task added local storage for persistent behavior. Okay, click ok. You can see here local storage for persistent behavior, and also we can see here three buttons: view task, edit task, and delete task. Okay, so guys, on each and every element, on each and every task, okay, we will be able to see these three buttons. Okay, view task, edit task, and delete task. Okay, so guys, now let me just show you the features. Let me just show you the functionality of these three buttons one by one. Okay, so first of all, let me just show you the functionality of this button view task. Okay, so hit it now, view task. So guys, you can see here the moment I have hit the button view task, okay, I have opened SweetAlert to pop up. Okay, and it says task details. Okay, so the task is learn React. Okay, and below we can see here one button also called OK to dismiss this pop-up. Okay, so hit OK. So view this task learn HTML. So click this button view task. You can see task details learn HTML. Click OK. Okay, so view task to see learn C++. Hit the button view task. You can see here task details, and here is the task learn C++. Click OK. View task. You can see here task details, and the task is local storage for persistent behavior. Okay, click OK. So guys, let me just hard refresh this page. Okay, then only you will have some confidence that we have used here local storage for the persistent behavior of our to-do list item or the task. Okay, it will remain here. It is not going to be deleted. It is not going to be removed from your to-do list app. Okay, unless and until you will delete it manually. Okay, so just refresh the page. You can see here it is still here. And guys, I'm very sorry for the background voices. Okay, so since a long time, okay, like some work is going on, so I'm sorry for the background voices. Okay, and please guys, let me clear you guys one more thing. Guys, if you feel my voice is too low, if you feel the audio of this video is too low, then please guys, please do use the headphone to listen to the audio, to listen to the voice. Okay guys, please do use the headphone, okay, for better experience. Okay, so guys, now I have shown you that our task will persist here. It is not going to be deleted because we are saving each and everything in our local storage on our machine. Okay, so that's why it is not going to be deleted Okay, the moment you will refresh the page, the moment you will reload the page, okay, it is not going to be deleted, it is not going to be removed, because we are saving each and everything on our system, on our machine. Okay, so guys, now let me just show you the functionality of this edit button. Okay, so hit it now, edit task. You can see here again we have opened SweetAlert 2 pop-up saying edit your task. Okay, and you can see here only in this SweetAlert 2 pop-up only I have retrieved the task. I have fetched the task, okay, which I want to edit, which I want to update, which I want to made changes. Okay, so here you can see here I have clicked on first task, learn React. Okay, so hit again edit task. You can see here we are fetching it. Okay, learn React. Okay, so I'm gonna made some changes. So I'll say here learn React, and it's quite awesome. Okay, so hit enter. Okay, so guys, we can just hit this button save, or we can hit the enter as well. Then also our task will be updated, our to-do list item will be updated. Okay, so hit enter. You can see here updated. Okay, so you can see here now learn React has become learn React, and it's quite awesome. Okay, so refresh the page. You can see here it remain still here, it is not going to be refreshed, it is not going to be changed. Okay, because we are saving each and everything in our local storage. Okay, so just I'm gonna edit this task learn HTML. So hit the button view task. You can see here, so now I'm gonna make it learn HTML 4.3. so hit the button save. You can see here updated. Okay, and now it has become learn HTML 4.3. Okay, so now I'm gonna change this task learn C++. So hit the button add task. You can see here it has already fetched the previous task or the old task in our SweetAlert 2 pop-up only. Okay, so I'll just say here learn C++ and C as well. Okay, so hit enter. You can see here updated. Okay, so now it has become learn C++ and C as well. Okay, so now I'm gonna edit the last task local storage for persistent behavior. Okay, so hit the button edit task. Okay, so now I'll just made some change here also, and we know it. So hit enter. So now updated. You can see here now it has become local storage for persistent behavior, and we know it. Okay, so guys, now I just showed you view task button functionality and edit task button functionality. So guys, now let me just show you the delete button functionality as well. Okay, so now guys, I am gonna delete this first task learn React, and quite awesome. Okay, so just hit the button delete task. So as you can see here, the moment you have hit the button delete task, okay, then also we have opened SweetAlert 2 pop-up saying are you sure you won't be able to reward this. Okay, so guys, it is asking your permission, it is asking your confirmation that do you really want to delete this task, or you have just pressed the button by mistake. Okay, and you don't want to delete the task. Okay, so guys, this is what it means. Okay, because it is saying are you sure you won't be able to reward this. Okay, so guys, it is warning you that once you press the yes delete it, the task will be deleted, and you won't be able to get it back, you won't be able to revert it back. Okay, so that's why I have given here two buttons. Okay, yes delete it to actually delete the task, and cancel to cancel the deletion process. Okay, so I'm gonna hit the button cancel. I don't want to delete the process, I mean the task. Okay, so I'm gonna cancel the process, I'm gonna cancel the operation. Okay, by clicking the button cancel. So hit it. You can see here it's here. So refresh the page. Okay, you can see here it's still here. So this time I'm actually gonna delete the first task, learn React and quite awesome. Okay, so hit the button delete task. Okay, so it is again asking you guys, are you sure you won't be able to reward this? Okay, it is giving you warning, it is warning you. Okay, it is alerting you that you won't be able to reward this back, but I am actually wanna delete it. Okay, so I will just hit the button yes, delete it. So hit it now. You can see deleted, your task has been removed. Okay, again guys, you can see the alert that saying deleted, your task has been removed. Okay, so click OK. So now I'm gonna delete this task also, learn HTML 4.3. So hit the button delete task. Okay, it is again asking you the same thing. It is asking your permission, it is asking you uh, consent, and it is giving you warning at the same time. Okay, so I'll just say here yes, delete it, I want to delete it. Okay, so hit it, it's gone, deleted, your task has been removed. Okay, so just refresh the page, because we are removing guys each and everything from the local storage as well. Okay, so we won't be able to see it again, okay, on our to-do list app, because it's removed from the local storage as well, which means from your machine as well. Okay, so refresh the page, see it's gone, it's not here, it's gone. Okay, so just delete this task also, learn C++ and C as well. Okay, so hit the button delete task, again asking the same thing, are you sure you won't be able to reward this? Okay, so this time I'll cancel it. Okay, so refresh the page, see it's still here, learn C++ and C as well. Okay, so just delete it now by clicking the button delete task. So are you sure you won't be able to reward this back? Yes, delete it. So it's deleted, it is saying your task has been removed. Click OK. So now delete the last task also, local storage for persistent behavior, and we know it. Okay, so hit the button delete task. See, again asking the same thing, but we are gonna delete it. Okay, so we will just hit the button yes, delete it. So deleted, your task has been removed. Okay, so guys, again you can see here the same image, and we can see here please add some to do task, or yeah. Okay, so okay, so guys, we have to have at least one, okay, to-do list task or item in our to-do list app, then only we will be able to see it here. Otherwise, by default, we will be able to see this image and this text saying please add some task or to-dos. Okay, so now let me just add some task. So I'll just say here I love coffee a lot. Okay, so hit enter. You can see here task added, I love coffee a lot. Okay, so click OK. You can see here again we can see the same thing, these three buttons, view task, edit task and delete task also, to view the task, okay, to edit the task. Okay, so I'll just make some change, I'll just say here to hit enter. You can see here task updated. Okay, and to delete the task, either we can cancel the process or we can delete the task. Okay, so just cancel the process. Okay, so now I'll just add some more to-dos. I'll just say here I love to walk alone. Hit enter, click OK. Task added, I love to walk alone. So click OK. So I'll just say here I love to watch horror movies. Okay, hit enter. I'm sorry. So as you can see here the task added, I love to watch horror movies. Okay, so click OK. So guys, now okay, so you can see here on each and every guys task list or task item, these three buttons, view task, edit task and delete task. Here also view task, edit task, delete task. Here also view task, edit task and delete task. Okay, and I have shown you the functionality and the features of these buttons also, view task, edit task and delete task. Okay, and guys, I hope guys now you have learned that what we are gonna learn in this video, in this session, and what we are gonna create in this video, in this session. Okay, And guys, now I hope you are excited and you are thrilled, okay, to learn something new, to something awesome, something different from this video, from this session with me, er Prabhat Pandit. Okay, so guys, now let's get started and let's learn and let's build this awesome and state of the art to do app with local storage for persistent behavior. Okay, so guys, now let's get started and let's learn it. Okay, and let's build it, let's create it. Okay, but guys, before starting of the video, I would like to request you all guys, please guys, subscribe to my YouTube channel code with er, and please guys press the bell icon also, so that whenever I will upload the new video in the playlist, you can be notified and you can watch them instantly and you can learn from them also. And definitely guys, you will grow also professionally after watching my session, after watching my video. Okay, and please guys, please do like all my videos, which will give me the confidence, which will give me the motivation to create awesome videos like this for you on each and every topic of web development, full stack development, and on service now as well. Okay, please guys, I need your help, I need your support. Okay, and guys, you all know that how you're gonna help me. Guys, you can only help me by subscribing to my this YouTube channel code with er, and by liking all my videos. Okay, which will help the which will guys help the YouTube algorithm, okay, to show my content, to show my video to the larger audience. Okay, please guys, please, I need your help, I need your support. Okay guys, just like this video. Okay, and please guys, do subscribe now my this channel. Okay, please guys, please, I need your help. Okay, consider me as your friend, consider me as your brother. Okay, and guys, I need your help, your brother need your help, your friend need your help. Okay, and guys, thank you guys, okay, who has already subscribed to my this channel code with er. Okay guys, thanks a lot, thanks a lot. Okay, it means a lot guys, your one subscriptions means a lot to me. Okay, and thank you to also those guys who has not yet subscribed to my this YouTube channel code with er. Okay, please guys, subscribe now and press the bell icon also. Guys, you can see here I am putting a lot of hard work, guys, I am putting a lot of hard efforts, okay, to create awesome videos like this for you guys. Okay, on each and every topic of web development, full stack development, and on service now as well. Okay, please guys, consider me as your friend, consider me as your brother. Okay, and subscribe now, and please help me and please promote me. Okay, and please guys, make this, okay, YouTube channel code with er a blockbuster channel on YouTube, which teaches you coding from HTML to CSS, from CSS to Vue.js to React to JavaScript, okay, to Angular, and now service now as well. Okay, so guys, I hope now you will subscribe now, and you will like the video also, which will give me the confidence, which will give me the motivation to make awesome videos for you guys. Okay, always and always. Okay, and guys, now let's get started and let's build and let's create this state of the art to do app with local storage for persistent behavior using React.js with me, er Prabhat Pandit. Okay, so guys, let me go to the code editor. So I'm going to create here one new file. So I'll say here React, okay, to do app in local, okay, local storage.html. So save the file. Okay, so now I'm gonna just create here HTML template first. Okay, so guys, I'm very sorry for the background voices. Okay, so just try to focus on the guys learning part. Okay, and guys, let me just clear you one thing. Guys, just sit back, be calm, be relaxed, and okay, and guys, watch something new, learn something new from this video, from this session. Okay guys, I guarantee you, I give you my word also, I promise you guys that guys, you are definitely gonna learn something new, something awesome, something different from my each and every session. Okay, and from this session as well. Okay, so guys, just sit back, be calm, and learn something new with me, er Prabhat Pandit, in React.js. Okay, so I'm gonna give the title also. So I'll say here code with er Prabhat Pandit. Okay, so guys, by now you all know that my name is Prabhat Pandit and I am a software developer. Currently I am working as a service now developer at Happiest Minds Bangalore, and I have got more than 5 years of experience in software development. Okay, so guys, now in order to work with this file, okay, we need some CDN links also. So let me go to the example first, and let me just copy the CDN links from there. Okay, so this is the example. Let me just copy these CDN links from here, and it is nothing, just a simple CDN links for the font awesome, for the bootstrap, and for the SweetAlert 2 pop-up as well. Okay, so just pause the video and you can just go through these, okay, CDN links. Okay, so let me just copy some more CDN links from there only. So copy these CDN links also. So just copy it from here and just paste here. Okay, so just paste it here. Okay, so guys, you can see here, this is the JS file for react.development. Okay, and this is the JS file for react dom.development. Okay, and this is the JS file for babel.min.js. Okay, and we now know that what is it is gonna do. Okay, I'm not gonna explain you all the things again and again, which I have already explained many times in my previous videos as well. Okay, if you have not watched it, just go and watch my previous videos as well. Okay, you will be understanding that what I'm gonna do here and what these CDN links is gonna do. Okay, so guys, we are using, guys, CDN, okay, links of React, okay, to learn React. Okay, and once we will be well versed with the React, okay, then we will be using here the React.create app also to learn the more and more advanced feature of React.js. Okay, in coming videos, in coming sessions as well. Okay, so guys, now I'm gonna create here one container div, one HTML part also. So I'll create a div, I'll give the ID also as a root only. So close this div. Okay, and now I'm gonna create here one script element also. So I'll just say here script, close this. I'll give the type attribute also. I'll say here text slash babel. Okay, and we all know why we have to mention, why we have to give the type attribute also to this script tag. Okay, I'm not gonna explain you again and again. Okay, so guys, now this is it. Okay, so first of all, I'm gonna create here one parent component, or we can say the main component as well. Okay, so main component. So I'll just say here const, I'm sorry, I'll say here const, I'll just say here to do, okay, to do app. Okay, so I'm gonna use here the factorial function like this. So close this. So it is gonna return first all the things. So say here return, and just close this, and it is gonna take here one container div, or we can give the JSX fragments as well. Okay, but I would like to give here the container div. Okay, so I'll just give the class name also like this. I'll just say here container. Okay, and I'll give the margin top 4 also, margin bottom also 4, and just close this div. Okay, very quickly. And now I'm gonna create here one header also. I'll say here I'm gonna create here one const. I'll say here header. Okay, header. I'm gonna use here this double quotes. Okay, I'll say here welcome to React.js classes with ER Prabhat Pandit. Okay, okay, so now just first of all, we have to mount our this React.js instance. Okay, so guys, now we have to mount our this React.js instance to this HTML part. Okay, to this Vue part. Okay, so I'm gonna do that. Okay, so I'll just create here another const. Okay, const, I'll say here container. I'll just say here document dot get element by ID, and we have to specify here the ID of this div root. Okay, so copy this ID from here, just paste it here, and I'm gonna say here I'm gonna create here one const again. I'll say here const. Okay, I'll just say here root. I'll just say here react. Okay, dom dot create root, and we will just pass this container variable to this method. Okay, so paste it, and now we will just use this root. So now we will just use this root, and we will just say here dot render. okay, dot render. So guys, what to render guys? Of course our parent component. Okay, so copy this parent component name from here and just paste it here and just close this. Okay, so this is it. Okay, so guys, in this way we have mounted our react.js instance to with this, okay, HTML part or the view part we can say. Okay, so guys, now just to show this value, this text on the browser, what we have to do here, just copy this header name. Okay, from here I'm gonna create here another const, another div. Okay, I'll give the class name also. I'll say here text center. Okay, margin top 3, I'll give you a margin bottom 3 also, and I'll just close this div very quickly. I'm gonna create here another HTML tag h1. I'm gonna create h1, close this h1 and just say here open and closing braces and just paste it this variable name header, and I'm gonna give the class name also. I'll give the h1 only class. Okay, so guys, now just save your file, save your code, and just dispose this port and just go live from here. Hit it now. So you can see here guys, the text also on the screen. Welcome to React.js classes with ER Prabhat Pandit. Okay, so very quickly let me just copy these text from here also and just come here and we'll just create here another variable. I'm sorry, so I'll say here const. I'll just say here sub header equal to just double quotes. Okay, and just close this. So now just copy this from here and just paste it here, make it h2 or let it be h1 only. So now copy this subheader variable name from here and just replace with this header, save it. Okay, and now go to the browser, so bring it here, and now you can see here it's here. So let me just make it h2 only, h2, save your file, give the class also h2. Okay, so guys, now you can see here an awesome React to do app with local storage for persistent behavior. Okay, so guys, now very quickly we are gonna create this component. Okay, so guys, this is the component. Okay, and this is another component. Okay, so guys, now I'm sorry, so guys, now very quickly I'm gonna create this first component where we can enter something and we can save it in our to-do list app as well. Okay, so I'm gonna create here the first component. Okay, so just come to the code now. Okay, so just here. Okay, first of all I'm gonna import something from the local storage, from the React. Okay, I'm very sorry because I'm like I'm constantly guys, okay, speaking to explain you each and every minute details. Okay, so that's why sometimes it is guys just a slip of tongues. Okay, and nothing else. Okay, so I'm gonna say here, I'm gonna use here the useState. Okay, useState hook also from React, and I'm gonna use here the useEffect. Okay, useEffect hook also from the React. Okay, so we will just say here React. Okay, so close it. So guys, now once we have imported it, okay, from the React, okay, we are free to use it in our React code, in our React application. Okay, so guys, now very quickly I'm gonna create here one custom component. I'll say here I'm gonna create the component now. So I'll just say here to, okay, to do input. Okay, input. I'm gonna use here the factor function, so it will just return all the things. So we will just say here return. Okay, and it is gonna take here one container div also. So we will just give here one container div. Okay, with the class name also I'll give here. So close this div very quickly. I'll give the class name as a, just give here anything, margin top as of now 3, just give. Okay, and now we are gonna create here one input element. Okay, so we will just create here. So first of all guys, we have to give here some props also. Okay, so guys, this component guys is gonna take some props. Okay, it is gonna receive some props as well. Okay, so we will give here the first prop as a new. Okay, I just give here new to do. Okay, and the second prop is set. Okay, set new. Okay, set new to do. Okay, and the third prop is, I'll just say here add. Okay, to do. Okay, so this is it. So first of all, I'm gonna create here inside this div, I'm gonna create here the form element. Okay, form element. So close this form very quickly. I'll give the class name also to this form. I'll just give here just say here my form. Okay, so just open this form, and inside this form we are going to create here one input element also. So first close this. So I'll just give here the type also. So I'll give here the okay, so I'll just give here the type attribute also as a text only. So put comma, not comma. Okay, and now I'll just give the class name also. I'll just give here the class name as a form control. Okay, and we can give here another class. Okay, give here p3 also for the padding 3. Okay, so just remove this white space, it is not a good practice. Okay, so now I'll just give you the placeholder also. So placeholder I'm sorry. Okay, so placeholder I'll give here please. Okay, please enter your your to your task. Okay, we can say, or your task. Okay, so to do is all about task. Okay, so we will just say here value also. We will just give here the value, and now we can give the space, and now I'm gonna use here this prop. Okay, new to do. Okay, so just copy and paste it here, and now we will just say here on change also, on change. So I'm gonna use here the fat arrow function. Okay, anonymous fat arrow function, and we will just say here set new to do, and just paste it here, and we will just say here this event. Okay, so just pass this event object also. So we will just say here this event dot target. Okay, event dot target dot value. Okay, dot value. Okay, so guys, this means, okay, event dot target means, guys, we are talking about, okay, this input field only. We are referring this input field only. Okay guys, okay, this on change is gonna be handled by this method. Okay, set new to do. Okay, and it is saying event dot target dot value, which means, okay, this input field only we are gonna refer to this input field only by saying event dot target dot value, and we will be able to handle the change. Okay, we will be able to handle the change. Okay, in the input field which is gonna be done by the user through this on change method. Okay, and we will just set this new to do, and we will just update, okay, this new to do by this method set new to do with the current value, with the present value in the input field. Okay, in the input field. Okay, so this is it. Okay, so now I'm gonna create here button element also. So very quickly I'm gonna create here button, and just close this button now. So I'll just give the class name also. So I'll just say here btn. Okay, I'll give here btn primary. Okay, I'll just give here the task text also. I'll say here add task. Okay, add task. So this is it. I'll just give the type attribute also to this button. I'll just say here type equal to submit. Okay, type equal to submit. I'm sorry guys. So now just save your code, and now we won't be able to see anything on the browser unless, okay, unless we will just call this component in our parent component. Okay, so now we are gonna call it in our parent component. So copy this add to do input component name from here and just come to the parent component. So now we will just say like this, so close this. So we have to guys now provide all the value to these props. Okay, okay, so guys, this is the prop, it is gonna take one value. This is the prop, it is also gonna take one value, and this is the prop and it is also gonna take one value. So now just give here on this form only add to do. So copy this prop name from here and we will just say here on submit. Okay, on submit we will just run a method. Okay, on submit we will just run a method. Okay, so we will just say here this add to do. Okay, this add to do, and we will give the value of this add to do in the parent component when we will call this custom component. Okay, so just now I'm gonna define here some like useState hook variable also. So I'll say here const. Okay, I'll just say here const, I'll say here useState. Okay, so just give here as of now nothing. Okay, as of now just give nothing and just copy this. Okay, and just paste it here. So give comma and just copy it and just paste it here. Okay, so now we will give this prop value. So this is the prop. Okay, so we have to give here the value also. So I'm gonna give the value now like this. Okay, so copy this state variable new to do from here and give the value to this prop new to do. Okay, so guys, this is the prop and this is the value. Okay, so here is the state variable new to do, and set new to do is going to be update. Okay, this new to do through this updater function or the setter function set new to do. Okay, so now we will just give here this this value also add to do. Okay, so just copy this and just come here and just say here add to do. So now we will just say here add to do as well. So we will just give here only add to do. Okay, and now we will just give here this value also set new to do. So copy this and just paste it here, give it space, give opening and closing braces, and now just give it, okay, set new to do, okay, as a value to this set new to do prop. Okay, so guys, this is the prop. Okay, new to do, set new to do, and add to do. Okay, and this is the prop value new to do, this is state variable. Okay, set new to do, and this is the updater function, this state updater function set new to do, and this is the add to do, and this is the value of this add to do. So we will just define this method. Okay, add to do. So as of now we won't be able to see anything unless we will define it. Okay, so let me just show you. We can see we can't see anything. Okay, so we have to define this add to do. So come here. So above this return statement I'm gonna define it now. So we will say here const. Okay, just give here, I'm gonna use here the filter function. So close this. So as of now let's just alert. Okay, let's just alert. So just alert anything, guys. Okay, just alert here this. Okay, new to do. Okay, so now just save your file, go to the browser, and now we can see here it is shown here. So let me just put here the p3 also. Okay, p3 also. So now let me just give here mb4, and let's just try to remove this div. Okay, so so let me just copy the css, okay, from here. So I think okay, so control z, so just cut this div and paste it in the form element. Okay, so inside the form element paste it. Okay, and we will just give here the class also. So we will just give you the class also, input. Okay, input group, save your file, and now we can see here the button is here now. Okay, like this. Okay, so like this we can see here this same thing. Okay, so if we want we can remove the padding, or let me just show you how it looks like if we remove the padding. Okay, so remove this p3 and remove this p3 also, save your file, go to the browser, and now it is looking, this also look good also. So just control z. Okay, and this also looks good. Okay, so now we can see here, please enter your task. Okay, and a button add task. Okay, so as of now it will show the alert. Okay, if we will hit the button add task. Okay, so hit it now. You can see here there is nothing, so we have to put something here in the input field, and now hit this button add task. Okay, so you can see here whatever we have entered, we can see it in the alert as well. Okay, so it is alerting the, so I'll just say here Prabhat, hit enter. You can see here Prabhat also in the alert box, so click OK. So as of now you can see here our page is being refreshed. Okay, and you can see here, we can see here the question mark also being appended, okay, in the URL. Okay, so we have to prevent this, we have to stop this. Okay, so this is the default behavior of the form. Okay, so whenever we will try to submit the form, it will try to take us to the new URL. Okay, and in that process our page will be refreshed, our page will be reloaded. Okay, so we have to prevent this, we have to stop this by using the event.prevent default method. Okay, so just come to the code now. So you can see here it is passing here. Okay, so guys, this will we have one event object. Okay, because we are, okay, we are submitting the form. Okay, and submit is an event. Okay, this, okay, this on submit is an event. Okay, so it must will have one event object also. So by using this event object we can prevent the default behavior. Okay, so we'll just say here, we will just say here event dot prevent. Okay, prevent default. Okay, so now just close this. So now just come to the code and just remove this question mark from here, refresh the page, and now hit anything. You can see, click OK. So now the page is not being reloaded, now the page is not being refreshed. Okay, so guys, this is our first component. Okay, so our first component is completed. So now guys, I'm gonna create here another component for the showing of the task. Okay, so just come to the code now. We will just very quickly create here another component. Okay, so very quickly remove all the white spaces, so just remove this. Okay, so guys, now below this component, okay, I'm gonna create here another component. Okay, so guys, just be here, and guys pay attention. Okay guys, don't try to skip the video, don't try to fast forward the video. Otherwise, if you will miss something, you will miss each and everything from this video, from this session, and at the end you will end up losing your time, you will end up losing your energy. Okay, and you will just scratch your head. Okay, in the end, and you will say to yourself that I didn't learn anything, I didn't get anything from this video, and eventually I have wasted my entire time. Okay, so guys, just guys, be focused. Okay, and be calm and try to learn something new, something unique, something awesome from this video, from this session. Okay, so guys, now we are going to create here another component. Okay, another custom component, just to show the task. Okay, the task, the buttons. Okay, the task and the buttons as well. Okay, so we are going to create here another component. Okay, another custom component. Okay, so come to the code now. I'm sorry, I'll say here const. Okay, I'm gonna give the component name as a to do list. Okay, to do list. Okay, so I'll just use here the filter function like this, because I like to use the fedora function only. Okay, so it is gonna return all the things also. So we will just give here return and just close this, and it will take here one container div, or we can give the JSX, okay, fragments as well. Okay, so I'm gonna give here the ul, okay, ul element. Okay, so now we will just give here the class also. I'll just give here the class name as a list group. Okay, so open this. Okay, and later on we will define all the things inside this only. I'm sorry. Okay, so guys, now this component also is gonna take here some props. Okay guys, this to-do list component also will take some props. Okay, so I'm gonna give here the some props also. Okay, so I'll give here the props as a to-dos. Okay, first prop. The second prop is I will give here remove. Okay, so remove, so we have to define this all the props also. So we will just say here remove to do's. Okay, remove to do. So another prop I will give here add it. Okay, add it to do. Okay, add it to do. Another prop I will give here, I'll just say here view. Okay, view to do. Okay, so guys, we have defined here four props. Okay, the first prop is to do's, second prop is remove to do. Okay, third prop is added to do, and fourth prop is view to do. Okay, so we will give the props value also when we will call this to do list custom prop. Okay, or the custom component. Okay, in our parent component like this. Okay, like this to do input custom component. Okay, so we will also call this to do list component in our parent component, and we will just define, okay, all these props value in the parent component only when we will just call it. Okay, so now we will just define here something. Okay, inside this li ul. Okay, so I'm gonna use here the this open and closing braces, and I'll just check here. Okay, this prop to do's. Okay, this prop to do's. So copy this, and we'll just check here dot length. Okay, if it is 0 0. Okay, if the length is 0 0, which means guys there is nothing in the to-do list. Okay, and we will just show something else. Okay, if the length is 0 0, we will show something else. Okay, so now I'll just use here, okay, like this, and we will just create another div. Give the class name also. I'll give the class name as a text center. Close this div. Okay, so guys, this guys, okay guys, this is known as the conditional rendering. Okay guys, this is known as the conditional rendering in React.js. Okay, and guys, you will encounter this a lot. Okay, whenever you will try to create your React application, React website. Okay, and it is guys very famous. Okay, if you have to create your app dynamic and state of the art, okay, then guys, you should, okay, definitely use this kind of, okay, like a conditions, or we can say here the conditional rendering also, to create our more and more dynamic app and state of the art app. Okay, so we must be started using this conditional rendering in React.js. Okay, okay, so guys, this is known as the conditional rendering. Okay, if this is guys, if this is true guys, okay, if this is true, okay, then it will show the right hand side, what can I say, the HTML part, or we can say anything, only anything. Okay, if it is false, okay, if it is false, then it will not show the right hand side conditions or the HTML part. Okay, so now we will just say here, I'm gonna create here img element also here. So I'll say here img, I'll just close this. Okay, so I'll just say here src. Okay, so I'll just say here assets images. Okay, images, and let me just copy the images name from the example only. So copy this example from here, this image name from here, and just come to the code now and just paste it here. Okay, I'll give the class also. So I'll just say here class name like this. Okay, I'll just say here img fluid. Okay, and I'll just give here the uh, width also of 50%. Okay, so let's just what is the issue? So there will be any, yeah, here is the issue. Okay, so now we will give the text also below this div. Okay, or we can give the below this img element only. So we will give the h2. So I'll just say here h2, and we'll just say here uh, give the class name also. It's up to us only. So I'll just say here h2 only. I'll just give you a margin top. Okay, 3. Okay, and I'll just say here please please add some task or to do's. Okay, or to do's. Okay, so just as of now guys. Okay, so okay, as of now just so just call this. Okay, component also in our parent component. I want to show you something. So just call this like this, close this and open this. So we have to now provide guys all the props value also here in our this child component, because now we have called it inside our parent component, this to do main component. So we have to provide all the props values. Okay, all these 4 props values we have to provide the value now. Okay, so just copy this to do. Okay, so let me just copy this state variable and just paste it here. Okay, so just copy this to do and just paste it here, and we will just say here set new to do. Okay, so I'll just say here set to do's. Okay, so now just copy this to do from here and just give here the value of this to do. Okay, so copy this prop value from here and just give here open and closing braces, and copy this to do from state variable from here and just paste it here. And now just remove to do. We will just give the value also to this remove to do prop also. You'll just say here remove to do only. So this is the prop guys. Okay, this is the prop, and the right hand side. So guys, left hand side is the prop. Okay, and right hand side is the value. Okay, this is the prop and this is the prop value. Okay, don't confuse guys. Left hand side is the prop. Okay, and right hand side is the prop value. Okay guys, don't be confused. Okay, left hand side is the prop and right hand side is the prop value. Okay, so just again come here, add it to do. So copy this and just paste it here, give the add it to do only, and just copy this view to do and just give the I'm sorry guys. Okay, so now we have to define also guys. Okay, remove to do. So as of now I'll just give define here something dummy. Okay, so const, I'll just say here const like this. I'll just define something dummy. Okay, for the demo purpose, because I want to show you something. Okay, so just copy this and just paste it here and just change the name to this added to do. So just paste it and again copy it and again paste it and just say here view to do. Okay, I hope this will fix, this will work. Okay, because I want to show you something. So save your file, go to the browser, and now guys, boom guys, we can see here it works. Okay, and we can see here the image, and please add some to do's. Okay, which means we don't have anything any to do list item or any to do task in our to do list. Okay, so that's why we can see here this image and this text also saying please add some task or to do's. Okay, so this is it, I want to show this only. So come to the code now, and now if we will give here anything. Okay, so set here as of now, just give here something. So now we can see here we can't see any image or text because because the now this to-dos dot length is not 0. Okay, so that's why we can't see this image or the text. Okay, so remove this and save your file. Go to the browser. So now you can see here this image and this text also. Okay, so give here something for the showing you. So save your file. Now you can see here the now you can see here this to-dos dot length is now become false. Okay, so now this conditions become false because it contains something. You can see here it contains something, so now we won't be able to see the right hand side code or the text, okay, or the HTML code. Okay, so this is it. Okay, so remove this. As of now we don't require this. So now we can see here by default it will be shown the image and this text. Please add some task or to-dos. Okay, so come to the code now. Okay, so I'm very sorry. So now we will just again create here. Okay, so below this div, okay, or below this open and closing braces, I'm gonna create here another open and closing braces. Okay, and now we will just check this to-dos. Okay, we will just check this to-do. So copy it. Okay, so now this is a guys, now this to-do will become the object. Okay guys, now this to-dos will become the object, and now we will just use here the map method, okay, to loop through this array of objects. Okay, this to-dos array of object. Okay, we will use here the map method to loop through it. Okay, so I'll just say here dot map, and we all know that it is gonna take here one callback function, and that callback function will take at least one necessary parameter. So I'll just give here to do only. Okay, and I'm gonna use here the fetcher function like this. Okay, I'm gonna use here the fetcher function. So just open this. Okay, and it is gonna take here one container div, or we can say one container component HTML tag. Also we can give here li, we can give the div also if we want. Okay, so now just I'll give the class name also. So I'll just give you the class name. Okay, I'll just give you the list group item. Okay, I'll just give you the deflex. I'm sorry guys, because I'm constantly speaking. Okay, so I'll just say here p3, and I'll just give you a justify. I'll just give here justify content between. Okay, I'll just give here an align items. Okay, center, and I'll just give here the another custom class fade in. Okay, we will define it later. So open this li, and we will give here the, just say like this, we will give here the key attribute also. So we will just say here key like this. Okay, I'll just say here to do. Okay, to do. So to do dot, we will give here id. So we will just create guys. Okay, okay, so guys, we will just create this to do's. Okay, on the fly. Okay, dynamically. Okay, and it will have id and it will have text. Okay guys, this to do we will create it dynamically, okay, on the fly, and it will have two things. Okay, id and the text. Okay guys, it will have two properties, the id and the text. Okay guys, this to do will become the array of object. Okay, when we will define it, okay, dynamically. So guys, this to do's will become the array of object when we will define it dynamically, and it will have two property. The first property is id, and the second property will be the text. Okay, so id will be the unique. So that's what I'm gonna show it here. I'm gonna give the key value as a to do, this to do dot id. So id will be unique. Okay, so that's why I have given here the to do, this to do dot key, id. Okay, because this id will be the unique and key should be the unique. Okay, so this is it. So now, okay, so now we will just use here the span element also. So I'm gonna use here the span element. Okay, so span, so close this span very quickly, and now we will just, as of now we will just show here this to do. Okay, I open and closing braces, this to do dot text. Okay, because it will have a text property as well. Okay, so now, okay, so now this is it. So as of now, just save your file, and we will see the error. So go to the developer tools. Okay, let me just go to the console, and you can see here to-do list component. Okay, so we will just let me just check what is the issue. So to-dos dot map. Okay, so so I guess guys, we have to define this method also. Okay, so we have to define this. Okay, add to do's method now. So I'm gonna just add it. Okay, and see if this fix our okay error or the issue. Okay, so I'm gonna like define it now. Okay, so I'll just say here. Okay, so I'm gonna just in now I'm gonna just so first of all I'm gonna create here this add to do method. Okay, so now so first of all guys we have to check. Okay guys, first of all we have to check okay if there is something in inside our local storage. Okay, so guys whenever the page will reload, okay guys, whenever the component will be mounted for the first time, okay, then we have to check also our local storage that if there is something inside our local storage or not. Okay, if there is something in the local storage we will just fetch it. Okay, when the component will mount for the first time. Okay, if there is nothing we will just store a blank or the empty array. Okay guys, if something is there already in the local storage, when our component will be mounted for the first time we will just fetch it. Okay, if there is nothing in the local storage we will just store there a simple or the blank array. Okay, so this is what I'm gonna do now. So just come here. So now here I'm gonna use here the use effect. Okay, so I'll just say here use effect like this. I'm gonna use here the factor function. Okay, like this. Okay, so I'm gonna use here the factor function like this, and I'm gonna give here the empty dependency array. Okay, empty dependency array. So close this and now open this. So now I'm gonna say I'm gonna use here the try catch block. Okay, so okay, it should be the curly braces guys. Okay, because we are using the factor function, so it should be curly braces. Okay, so now error is gone. So now I'm gonna use here the try or the catch block. Okay, so we will just say here try. Okay, so we'll just say here try. So we'll just say here const. Okay, saved. Okay, saved to do's. Okay, we are checking here if there is anything in the local storage already. Okay, and when our component will mount, okay, we will just fetch it from the local storage and we will just store it inside this variable saved to do's. Okay, so this is what I'm gonna do here. JSON. Okay, JSON dot okay parse from the local storage. Okay, local storage dot get item. Okay, local storage dot get item. And guys, I'm not going to explain you what is local storage and how we can store the data or the text. Okay, so guys, local storage is the key value pair. Okay, so this will be the key and this will be the value. Okay, you can see here local storage dot get item key string. Okay, and the value will be also string. Okay, so I'm gonna store the key as a to do's. Okay, to do's. Okay, so to do's. Okay, so if guys, if there is nothing, we will just store here there the blank array. Okay, so if this is the case, Okay, so now we will just update this set to do's. Okay, so copy this set to do's state variable or the updater function, and we will just update it by this saved to do's variable. Okay, which contains, okay, which contains now the object. Okay, from the local storage. Okay, if there is something, if it is nothing, then it will contain the blank or the empty array. Okay, so just like this, paste it. Okay, so close it. So now if it is not, we will just use the catch method also, so to catch the error. So we will just say here error. Okay, so like this, we will just say here, we will just say here console dot log. Okay, console dot log, we will say here we will just say here error. Okay, error loading to do's from local storage. Okay, so we will just show here the error message also, so paste it here. So this is it. Okay, so guys, you can see here this, okay, this useEffect method will guys run only once. Okay, whenever our component will be mounted for the first time, because I have given here the empty dependency array, which means this useEffect hook, okay, and the code inside it, okay, will run only once. Okay, whenever our component will be mounted for the first time. Okay, because we have given here the empty dependency array. Okay, which means our this useEffect will run only once for the first time when our component will be mounted for the first time. Okay, so this is it. Okay, so guys, now I'm gonna create here another useEffect. Okay, I'm gonna create here another useEffect. Okay, so let me just give you the write here the comment also for you. So I will just write here the comment also. So first, okay, load, okay, load to do's. Okay, load to do's from the local storage. Okay, if there is something, if there is something. Okay, otherwise store, okay, empty array. This is it. Okay, this is it. So again, I'm gonna use here the another useEffect hook. So I'll say here use effect. I'm gonna use here the factor function. Okay, so now this time guys, we will not give here the blank or the empty dependency array. Instead we will give here this, okay, to do's. Okay, whenever guys this to do's will be updated or will be changed, okay, then only this useEffect will run. Okay, every time guys, every time this to do's variable, state variable will change or will user will made any changes, it will run. Okay, so we will just give here this to do's. Okay, this to do's, so now it will run. Okay, so let me just write the comment also. So save to do's, okay, to local storage, local storage. Okay, when okay, when to do's change. Okay, when to do's change. Okay, so that's what it is saying here. So we are giving here the dependency array. Okay, this to do's state variable, and the moment guys, the moment it will change, okay, this will trigger this useEffect to re-render our component. Okay guys, the moment this to do's will have any, you know, new data, or the user will made any changes, user will added something, user will delete something, user will add something, that then also this to do's will change. Okay, and the moment it will change, it will trigger to re-render our component. Okay, and we will be able to see the changes on our browser, on our screen. Okay, so this is it. Okay, so now we will just say here, I'm gonna say here local storage. okay, local storage dot get item, local storage dot get item, okay, or we can just say here, we can just set item. Okay, so we're gonna set this time set item. So you can see here the key is to do's. Okay, so copy this key from here, and guys, what to save, guys? Okay, we have to save here the JSON, okay, dot stringify. Okay, what to stringify, guys? What to save? We have to save here this to do's only, because it will contain all the to do's. Okay, so paste it here. Okay, so close this now. Okay, so now just as of now, just for the testing purpose, save your file and go to the browser, and okay, so we have to now define this. Okay, this add to do's. Okay, so let me just put here something. Okay, for the dummy purpose, let me just put here something. Save your file, and so let me just check, guys, what is the issue here. So to do's dot map. Okay, so let me just check, guys. Go to the example only, and I don't want to give this much time. Okay, so let me just copy from here to here, and just replace with our code, and see if this fixes it or not the issue. Okay, so now save your file, go to the browser. Okay, okay, so we have to just control Z our code only. So we have to, guys, okay, we have to define our the add to do. So as of now, just cut it, save your file, and you can see here now the error is fixed. Okay, so control Z. Okay, so we have to define this. Okay, add to do's. Okay, so we are going to define it now. Add to do's. Okay, so let me just okay, so guys, now we are gonna define this add to do's. Okay, so come to the add to do's method now. So just delete this. Okay, and we will just say here we are gonna define it now. So we will just check here if, okay, if, okay, we will just check here if new to do. Okay, if this new to do dot, okay, this new to do dot trim. Okay, dot trim. Okay, if it contains a blank or the empty string, we will just alert, and we will just say here return. Okay, we will just say here return. So also, because we don't want to proceed ahead, so we will just give you a single dot. I'm sorry, guys. Okay, so guys, let me just copy the or we can just give here the sol, because we are going to use here the SweetAlert to pop up. So I'll say here sol dot fire. Okay, sol dot fire. We will just say here icon. Okay, icon of error. Okay, error, put comma. We will just give here the title as well, put colon. We will give here the title. I'll say here oops. Okay, put comma. I'll just give here the text also. We will just say here that please, okay, please enter a valid to, okay, to do. Okay, so this is it. So put comma or just remove comma. So as of now, just save your file. I hope okay, so we have to write all the things first. Okay, so now return. Okay, so now we will just create here the object. Okay, so guys, now we are going to create this to do's object. Okay, guys, now we are going to create this to do's object now. So just come to the code below this if statement. Okay, so we will just say here const, I'm going to say here const new. Okay, new task. Okay, new task equal to, I'll just say here open and closing braces, I'll give the ID. So I'll just say here date. Okay, date dot now. Okay, it is gonna generate the random text, okay, dynamically, and it will be unique. Okay, so you can see here id should be unique also, only. So now we will just say here text property, we are going to define here the text property, and we will just say here that okay, this, okay, this new to do, okay, this new to do, this new to do only. Okay, so just close this. Okay, so now we will just update this set new to do. Okay, set to do's. So copy this, and we will just say here, so just we will just say here like this, and we will just update this with new task. Okay, so just paste it here. Okay, this set to do's. Okay, this set to do's will update this to do's. Okay, and we are gonna updating, okay, with this newly created object. Okay, so guys, this is the object, and we have created it, okay, on the fly dynamically. So give here a square bracket also like this. Okay, square bracket like this. Okay, and we will just use here the uh, spread operator as well. Okay, so to concatenate the new as well as the old to do list object. Okay, so we will just copy this to do's. Okay, because it contains the old as well as the previously added to do list or the task. Okay, so copy this and just paste it here, put comma. Okay, so now okay, so now we will just say here that, so copy this from here only, and just say here we will just say here that okay, so we will just give here the icon of success, because user has successfully created or added the new to do task or the item in the to do app list. Okay, okay, so we will just say here success, and we will give the title as a we can say here uh, task added now. Okay, and we will just give the text also. We will just show the what user has added. Okay, using the string template only. So like this, say we will just say here to do. Okay, this to do to do's dot text. Okay, because it is an object, you can see here this to do, this to do's is an object, and it contains the id property and the text property also. So we will just show here the text property. We will say here to do's dot text. Okay, so I hope this will solve now our problem, our issues. Okay, so save your file and go to the browser, and it is still not resolved. Okay, so we have to check here guys only. So this to do's, okay, so we have to guys check it here only. Check in the parent component. Okay, so to do's, so to do's, guys, there is only issue here. Okay, if we will remove this code, our code will work. You can see it is working. So once now just hit enter, you can see here task added, it says undefined. Okay, so let me just resolve this undefined. Okay, so let me just new to do, and we will just say here to do's dot text. Okay, will just say here text. So now just hit enter. Okay, so now we can see here the text added. Okay, so we'll just say here learn react, hit enter. We can see here task added. Now learn react. Okay, so it is doing fine, it is doing great. Okay, so let me just control Z first. I want to show the task also, all the added task. Okay, so we'll just say here new task. Okay, new task dot text. Okay, so there is an issue here only, so we will just fix this. Okay, let me just fix this. Let me just take some help from the example only. What is the issue, why it is showing the error? Okay, so let me just copy this UL from entire UL and just replace with this UL. Okay, so just paste it here, save your file, and still we can't see. Okay, so let me just go to the console. Again it is saying the above error occurred in the to-do list component. Okay, in the to-do list component. So let me just check here what is the issue. So control Z, bring our code only. Okay, so let me just check here the let me just check our component. So to-dos item, remove to-dos. Okay, there is some change, guys. What is the issue? Although there is no any issue, guys. Okay, to do. Okay, just let's just check. Just guys, give me 2 minutes. Okay, I'll just resolve this. Okay, in no time. So just copy this and just replace this. Save your code. Okay, so now this will work, I guess. No, but there is no any error, issue. Okay, so guys, this was just a name mistake. Okay guys, this was just a name mistake. Okay, you can see here just a name. So make it to do and make this. Okay, to do only. So now let's just cut this out. Okay, and dispose this port, go live. Go to the inspect, and now we can see here for error is here. So now to do. So now just go down and to do. What is the issue? I don't know, guys, what is the issue here. Okay, so as of now just guys, okay, we have to, guys, I guess, guys, we have to define all the buttons also. Okay, so guys, now let me just create all the buttons as well. Okay, very quickly. So create button. Okay, and just give the I'll just say here. So let me, guys, just very quickly create all the buttons. Okay, then only it will resolve our issue. Okay, so I'll just say here view task. Okay, so just give here on click. I'll just say here on click. We will give here the method name also, like this. So anonymous factorial function. Okay, and we will give the method name also, this name, view to do. Okay, so copy it and paste it, and we will just pass this to do's. Okay, object only. okay, this to do's object only entirely to this method. Okay, and copy this button very quickly. Okay, and paste it couple of times. Okay, and we will just say here add it. Okay, add it task, and we will just give here the id. Okay, we will just give here the to do dot id. Okay, this to do dot id. So to do dot id, we will give here the text attribute also. So we will just say here to do dot text. Okay, and we will just say here view. We will just say here edit. Okay, edit edit to do. We will just give here the delete, or we will give here remove. Okay, this remove. Okay, this remove to do, edit to do, and view to do is the this is the prop, and this is the prop value. Okay, so we are defining it. Okay, so we will just give here the id only. Okay, so we will just give here to do dot id. Okay, so we will just say here delete. Okay, delete task. Okay, so I hope this will resolve now. So save your file and go to the browser, and it still has issue. So what is the issue? Okay, useState useEffect from React. Okay, let me guys just check. Okay, go to the this component. Okay, so now let me just copy this, and let me just replace. Okay, error occurred in the to-do list component. Why? Just close this. Still const. Okay, const this. So fat order function. Let me guys just replace with the component only. So copy the entire component. Okay, copy the entire component from here, this to-do list component from here, and just replace our this component. Okay, because it is taking a bit time. Okay, still guys are the same issue. So let's just reward our code only. Okay, because I want only our code. So let me just guys check it. Okay, so okay guys, just guys we have to remove this method name. Okay, so just remove this method name, and now we will just save file. And what is the issue? Error occurred. What is the issue guys? What is the issue? Control Z. This is our code, and what is the issue? So const, let me just check this const first. Okay, so const set to do's. Okay, set to do's. Okay, so what is the issue guys? This issue is only for this code. Okay, once we will remove this, we will be able to see our code. Okay, and it is working damn cool. See, it's working damn cool. So now it's working damn cool. New task. Okay, so see, hit enter. See, the task is updated. Okay, so what is the issue? Let's just control Z, and let's just guys define it. Okay, one more time. So let's just define it one more time. Come here, and to-dos dot map. Okay, I don't know guys what is the issue here. Okay, so this is guys only due to this code. Okay, only this due to this code. Okay, otherwise our code is working fine. There is no issue at all due to this code only guys, only due to this piece of code. Okay, this is code of snippet. Okay, only this is the only issue guys. Okay, otherwise each and everything is doing great. Okay, so let's just give here a key attribute. Okay, so let me just what is the issue? Li. Okay, let me just check guys, give me guys 2 seconds. Okay, I'll just resolve this. Okay, as of now just remove all the functions. Okay, and remove this. Okay, props value also from here, and just remove these okay things also from here, and save your file. And now we can still see there is an error. Okay, so the issue is here only this code. Okay, only this piece of code. Okay, so to do's. Okay, this to do's dot map. So const to do list. Okay, so guys I'm sorry for this issue. I don't know return, so return is written correctly or not. Okay, so ul is close. Okay, so the issue is here only. So just come here, and first of all let's just remove this to-do list. Okay, all the item from here. So now refresh the page. Okay, so now we can see this image here, and now refresh this page also. Okay, so now just now try to resolve this. So this is it, and this is the prop to do's const to do list. Okay, like this return. So it will take one parent component, and if we will remove this condition and then save your file, then go to the browser, still it is saying in the div. Okay, in the div it is saying there is a issue. To-do list app add the div. Okay, add the div. Okay, if we will remove this div, if now okay, so now just remove this to the div only. It is saying where is the div? Where is the div? This div. Okay, so me guys, it is taking bit time, I know guys, it is taking bit time. Okay, but although guys, we are learning something here. Okay, something, you know, so that it will help us. Okay, so let me guys just check. Okay, do like this. To do list. Okay, at div, consider adding an error boundary to your tree to customize error handling behavior. Go to the component. So there is nothing rendering here. Go to the component, go to the console. So there is only one issue here. Okay, so I don't want to as of now, but it is still showing the error. It is still showing the error. So what is the issue guys? I don't know. Uh, this is very small issue guys. To do dot length. Okay, so I try to replace the code also with our previous example code, but it is still not working. Okay, so copy this. Now if this will work or not. This will work or not. So to do list, to do list. Okay, and say here to do app. Okay, so copy this and just replace this. I guess this is the issue only. What is the issue? To do list. What is the issue? So let me guys just check. Okay, it is, this code is why working, it is here. This code is working here. So this code is working here guys. uh, what is the issue? Let me just check here. This use effect. Okay, this use effect is no issue. Okay, once we will remove this code, okay, our issue is resolved. Okay, so issue is here only. Okay, so now you can see here, we can see our code also, our output also. Okay, so the only issue is here. Okay, the only issue is here. So the only issue is here. So what is the issue here guys? Span. Okay, div, span div. Let's just cut this out one more time and open this in the live server. And now go to the inspect and go to the console, and you can see here still there is an issue. So let me just check. What's the issue? The issue is here only in this code. There is no an issue at all. The issue is only here. See, this time this will work. See, it is working. So the only issue is in this code only. You can see here now it is saying map.todo is not a function. So it says map.todos. Okay, map.todos is not a function. Hmm. So let's just check the example. Okay, so to-do list. To-do list. Everything is, guys, fine. Everything is fine. Okay, if we will remove this code, no, our code is working, doing, see, it's doing great, it's fantastic. Okay, so control Z. Okay, so what is the issue here, guys? What is the issue? It says map. Okay, todos dot map is not a function. I'm very sorry, guys. I don't know what is the issue here. Our code is doing great. Okay, there is no issue, guys. There is no issue. See, it is working fine. We can add the task also. See, add task added now. Still, guys, todos. Let's just check here the parent component. Let's just, okay, guys. Okay, guys, we have to give here the empty array, guys. We have to give here the empty array because we are looping through here, guys. Okay, you can see here we are looping through here todos dot map. Okay, so we are looping through here. So now it now resolved. Okay, and now we can see here the task which we have already added. Okay, the task also which we have already added. Okay, so just try to add new task. See, it is adding. Okay, refresh the page. See, refresh the page. Okay, see, guys, refresh the page. Okay, so our task is now being saved in the local storage. Okay, so that's why guys, I was forgetting, guys, only just this simple thing, guys. Okay, this, okay, empty array. Okay, because we are looping through this todos map. Okay, using the map method. Okay, and this todos is an array. So, guys, see, todos dot set todos, we have to give here the this array. Okay, empty array. Okay, so okay, so guys, now okay, so guys, now very quickly we will just define all the methods also. Remove first of all, we are going to define here the view to do methods. Okay, because this is the simple method. Okay, so you can see here we are passing here the id also. Okay, entire to do we are passing here. Okay, so we will just grab the entire to do also. Okay, here. Okay, so copy this to do from here and just paste it here. And now we will just use here the SweetAlert. Okay, so we will just say here first we are going to define the function. Okay, so just don't define the function. So copy this function, okay, capitalize from here, and we will just capitalize the things, okay, first. Okay, so just okay, so now we will just say here sol dot fire. Okay, so I hope guys you will understand guys. Okay, I was just forgetting guys. Okay, this is simple uh, empty array. Okay, because this to do's is an array of object. Okay, you can see here to do's dot map. Okay, we are looping through this to do's, okay, using the map method. So I was forgetting to provide this, okay, simple or the empty array, okay, to make this to do's as an array. Okay, so this was the mistake guys. Okay, so just come here. So now we will just say here that title, give colon, we will just give here the title uh, task details. Okay, put comma, we will just give here the HTML, and I'll just use the backtick. I will just use the string literal. Okay, so I'll just say here h2. So h2, close this h2, and we will just use here the we will just say here task. Okay, so task, give a space, give colon, give a space, and we'll just use here the string literal like this. We will just use here this method name also, and we will just say here to do. Okay, to do dot text. Okay, to show the text. Okay, to show the task. Okay, and we'll just give here the icon also of success. Okay, we will give here the icon info. We'll give here the info. Okay, give here the info. So save your file, go to the browser, and try to add something. Put here react, hit enter. So you can see here task added react. Okay, so refresh the page. Okay, see, it is still here, it is not going to be deleted. Okay, view task, you can see here task details. Okay, and you can see here the task is react. Okay, you can see here the same task is also here react. Okay, so click OK. So now try add something. I'll just say here C++, hit enter. You can see here task added now C++, click OK. So we have to empty the input field also. We have to empty this input field also. We have to make it blank. Okay, so just when task will be added, okay, when the task will be added, so just come up this new, okay, set new to do, copy it from here, and we will just in the add task below this, okay, below here we will just say here that make it empty. Okay, so make it empty. So save your file and go to the browser, and now hit here WordPress, hit enter. So now you can see here task added WordPress, click OK, and you can see here the input field is now empty, and it has now become the blank. Okay, so you can see here, refresh the page also, it is not going to be deleted. Okay, we can see the task also. See task details WordPress, click OK, view the task details C++, click OK, view the task. Okay, task details, click OK. So guys, now we will just implement the edit, okay, functionality. Okay, whenever user will click the edit button, we will just open a SweetAlert like this. Okay, and we will just fetch the previously added task or the list item in the input field. Okay, and whenever user will click the save button, we will just update the edited task, okay, with the new task. Okay, so just come to the code now, and now inside this edit, okay, you can see here we are passing here the ID and the entire task also. Okay, so we will just grab it also in the edit method also. So we will just give here the ID, okay, and we'll just give here the current text. Okay, so now we will just define it now. Okay, so we will just say here just let me just go to the SweetAlert. Okay, so let me just go to the SweetAlert. SweetAlert. Okay, so go to the input. Okay, go to the input type. So yeah, here. Okay, so you can see here, this is the input. Okay, so the type is, you can see here, input, the type is text. Okay, so we will be using here this only. Okay, you can see here it is fetching the previously added task. Okay, so we will use this input type text. Okay, here also in our coding. Okay, so we will just say here sol dot fire. Okay, sol dot fire. So I'm sorry, so we will just say here title. We will just say here title, give here title as a edit. Okay, edit your, okay, edit your task, give comma, give input only. So input will be the, so it will be the type text. So give here text, put comma, give here input value. Okay, so I'll say here input input value also, input value. We will just give here this current text. Okay, which we are okay, which we are giving here in our edit to do, okay, method. So this is the id and this is the current text. Okay, the to do dot text. Okay, so we will just give here the input value, this current text. Okay, then it will fetch. Okay, so I hope this will work now. Just for the testing purpose, come here and hit something. Okay, so now just hit this button, edit task. You can see here, boom guys, you can see here it is fetching already. Okay, so add some here C++, hit enter and click OK, task added. So added task, you can see here we are fetching the C++. Okay, so and now it is also storing in the local storage as well. Okay, so come to the code now. I'm sorry, we will just say here I will just show the cancel button also if user want to update the task or he want to cancel the process. Okay, so you can see here save or cancel the process. Okay, so we will show the cancel button also. So come to the code now, we will just say here show, okay, show cancel, show cancel button also. We will give here true. Okay, so we will give here true, save your code. Now edit task, you can see here the cancel button is here now. Okay, so come to the code now, put comma, we will just give here cancel button text also. We will just say here okay, we will just say here confirm. Okay, confirm button. Okay, confirm button text. Okay, we will just say here save. Okay, save or put comma, we will just say here cancel button text also. Okay, cancel button text, we will give here cancel only. Okay, cancel, put comma, we will just give here the input validator also. We will give here input. Okay, input validator. Okay, input validator, we will give here the we will give here the value. Okay, this value, let me just show you. So come to the SweetAlert, you can see here input validator and it is gonna give you the value. Okay, it is gonna give you the value. Okay, so we will just give you the value also. So value, and I'll just run a federal function here. Okay, so I'll just run a federal function and like this. Okay, we will just check. Okay, we will just check here if, okay, if so we will just check here if does not input. Okay, does not input dot trim. So if there is nothing inside the I mean input field. Okay, if there is nothing, let me just show you. Let me just come here. Okay, so if there is nothing inside the input field, we will alert the user. Okay, so save. You can see here you need to write something into the input field. Okay, so this is what we are doing here. Okay, if there is nothing into the input field, so we will just say here if there is nothing into the input field. Okay, we will just alert here. We will just say here return. Okay, return. We will just say here you need to write you need to write, or we can say here you need to give. Okay, you need to give uh, to do task. Okay, task is very good. Okay, so close this and put comma here. And now if this is okay, so if this is okay, so just hit enter. Added task. Okay, added task. You can see here, just remove this. Now save it. Okay, so we have to use the dot then method. Okay, we have to use the dot then method. Okay, then only it will show this alert. Okay, you need to give. Okay, you need to give to do task. Okay, so now we will just use here dot then method. Okay, so we will just say here dot then method we will just use here, and it is gonna give the result. Okay, it is gonna give the result. I'm also gonna use here the federal function. Okay, so okay, so now we will just say here if. Okay, we will just check here if. Okay, if you just say here result. Okay, result dot. Okay, is confirmed. Okay, is confirmed means user has pressed the save button. Okay, and and we will just say here and. Okay, and okay, we will just say here and result. Okay, result dot value dot trim. Result dot value dot trim. Okay, does not equal to. Okay, so we will just check here, does not equal to. Okay, if this is the case, okay, then we will just say here. Okay, then we just say here set. Okay, set to do's. Set to do's. Okay, just we will just say here set to do's, and we will just use here the previous value. Okay, prev. Okay, prev to do. Okay, it is of. I'm gonna use here the factor function. So we are just getting the previously saved. Okay, value. Okay, so we are just getting the previously saved value. So now we will just use here the factor function. Okay, so if this is the case, we will just use here the factor function. So we will just say here that okay, this prev to do. Okay, so this prev to do, we will use here the map method. Okay, so to look through the. Okay, so we will just use here this okay, prev dot map to look through it. So we will just say here map. Okay, so we will just give here map only to do. Okay, we will just give here factor function. I'm going to use here also. So open this. So now we will just check here this to do. Okay, to do dot id. Okay, to do dot id. So whatever we have defined here, whatever user has created, whatever user has inserted in this to do. Okay, we will just check here, and with the id I have given here the id also. Okay, so with this id. Okay, if this is the id equal to the provided id. Okay, okay, if this to do id equal to this provided id, if this is the case, okay, then we will just say here this ternary operator, and we will just update. We will just create the new object. Okay, so we will just keep the old object also using this spread operator. Okay, and it is going to create here the shallow copy. Okay, so it will just keep the old value as well as the previous value also, and we are gonna we are gonna add the new value also, new object also, along with all the properties. Okay, like id or the text. Okay, so we will just do that. So text, we will just create a new text using this result. Okay, using this result dot, we will just say here value. Okay, dot value dot trim to trim the white spaces. Okay, if this is the case. Okay, if guys, if this condition is true, I'm sorry. Okay guys, if this condition is true, we will just get this. Okay, if this condition become false. Okay guys, if this condition become false, okay, we will just use here the colon, and we will just return the entire things as it is. Okay, as it is. So close this. Okay, entire things as it is. So let me just check what is the issue. So okay, so if this is the case, so now we will just say here. So now we'll just say here. So we'll just say here sol dot fire, sol dot fire, and the update is now successful. Okay, so now we can see here the update is now successful. So we will just give here, we will just alert here. So we will just say here title. Okay, so update is successful. So we will just give here updated. Okay, updated, put comma, we will just give here text also. So text will give space, give colon, we will just give here your task. Okay, your task has been updated. Okay, put comma, we will just give here icon also, because the task is updated successfully. So we will give here the icon of success. Okay, so give comma, we will give here the timer also. Timer I'll give here 150 means 1 and like half seconds. Okay, we will just give here the show. Okay, show confirm button, we will just give here show confirm button also. Okay, confirm button, we will just give here true. Okay, so close this. So in this way we have updated our task. Okay, so now just save your file, and it's time to test our code, this edit to do method. Okay, so now let's just test it. So now just try to give here C++, hit enter. So you can see here task added C++. Okay, we can view the task also. Okay, refresh the page, it will remain here. You can see it is remaining here only, it is not gonna be deleted, it is not gonna be disappeared. Okay, so now test this button added task. Okay, so we can see here, boom guys, you can see here edit your task. So just remove entire things and hit the button save. So there is an issue here, it will say you need to give to do. Okay, so let me just check here this input validator. Okay, this input validator. Okay, so value input validator. So value further function. Okay guys, we have to give this value here, sorry. Okay, so value dot trim. So now just hit the button added task. So now remove entire things, now hit the button save. So see, boom guys, you can see here you need to give to do task. Okay, yeah, it is saying alert also, you are giving the alert also, you need to give to do task. Okay, so try to hit. Okay, so we can cancel the task, refresh the page, it will be remain here only. Now I'm gonna make it learn, we can say here learn React. Okay, so you hit the button save. So now you can see here updated. Okay, but let me just see here the functionality here, make it one. Okay, you can see here your task has been updated. Okay, but here it is only saying your task is updated. Okay, so we have to show the your task has been updated also. So okay, it's a text. Okay, so text. Okay, so save your file and now edit it. So remove this. Okay, so hit enter. You can see updated, your task has been updated. Okay, so guys, now we have to so now I will just say here learn. Okay, C++, hit enter. You can see task added, learn C++, refresh the page, it is not going to be deleted. I'll say here React.js, hit enter. You can see task added, React.js, click OK. Okay, so guys, now we can see here we can edit the task, make it one, hit enter, task updated. Edit this task also, make two, hit enter, task updated. Okay, edit this task, give here 3, hit enter, task updated. We can view the task also. You can see learn React 1, click OK. View this task, learn C++ 2, click OK. Learn React 3, click OK. So guys, now we will just give the functionality to this delete task button. Okay, so you can see here, see the functionality here. You can see cancel the process, or we can delete the task. Okay, so you can see here deleted, your task has been removed. Okay, so now we can see the image and the text also. So we have to have at least one to-do list item or the task in our to-do list app. Okay, then only we will be able to see it, otherwise we will see the image or the text. Okay, so come to the code now, and now we will give the functionality to this delete task. Okay, so come to the code now very quickly. We will just I'm sorry, we will just now use this remove to do method. Okay, so come to the here now. So you can see here we are passing the entire object. Okay, we are passing the id only to this remove id method. So we will grab the id here also. So grab this id here. So this is it. Okay, so guys, now we will just define this. Okay, remove method. Okay, we are passing here the id. Based on this id, we will just remove this, we will just sort. Okay, so here we will use the filter method to remove the matched element with this id. Okay, with the provided id. Okay, so we are going to use here the filter method. Okay, so first we are going to alert the user that do you really want to remove the task, or you have just pressed the button by mistake. Okay, so we are going to do that. Sol.fire. Okay, so sol.fire. Okay, so now close this. So we will just give here the title also. So we will just give here the title also. So we will just say here are you sure? Okay, they are gonna ask the user, they are gonna check with the user that do she or he really want to remove the task. Okay, if not, then he or she has to press the cancel button. Okay, to cancel the operation. Okay, as we will just say here are you sure? Okay, so we will just say here are you sure, and now put comma. We will just say here text. Okay, we will just give here the text. Okay, we will just say here you. Okay, you won't be able to revert. Okay, revert it back. Okay, revert it back. So just give here the capital letter only, it will look good. Okay, R capital, and give here. Okay, let it be. Okay, so we are already late, guys. Okay, I'm sorry, guys. Just to due to this minor mistake, guys. Okay, due to this minor mistake. Okay, this empty array. Okay, we got stuck. Okay, we got stuck in resolving the issues. Okay, but I was forgetting to give this empty array. Okay, and I hope, guys, you will forgive me for this. Okay, so now just come to this remove method. Okay, very quickly we will just define all the things here. I'll just say here I'll give the icon also. I'll give the icon as a warning. Okay, so I'm gonna warn the user also. Okay, so we will just give here the show cancel button also. We will give here true. Okay, so show cancel button we will give here true. Okay, so now if this is the case, so first of all just save your file and see if this works or not. Okay, so put here something, hit enter, click OK and delete task. You can see here, are you sure you won't be able to revert it back? Okay, so we can cancel it. Okay, and whenever we will press the OK button, then we will just remove this. Okay, so as of now it is not going to remove. Okay, because we have to write the logic also, we have to write our algorithm also. Okay, so now here, okay, so now we will just use here the dot then method. Okay, so we will just use here the dot then method. So we will just say here then. Okay, and I'm gonna use here the factor function. It will give us the result. Okay, okay, it will give us the result. Okay, so I'll just show here the confirm button. Okay, confirm button text also I'll give here yes, yes, delete it. Okay, yes, delete it. Okay, so comma. Okay, so okay, so now we will use the then method. Okay, so it is going to give us the result. Okay, so result factor function like this. Okay, so now we will just check. Okay, if user has pressed, okay, if user has pressed this confirm button. Okay, if user has pressed the yes, delete it. Okay, which means user want to delete it. Okay, user has confirmed already that please delete it. If user want if user has pressed the button cancel button, let me just show you. If user has pressed this OK button, we will just delete it. If he has pressed this cancel button, we will just abort the operation. We will just abort the functionality. Okay, and we will just dismiss this pop-up as well. Okay, so just come to the code now, and now we will just check it. Okay, if result, okay, is this result is okay, is confirmed. Okay, which means is confirmed. Okay, if this is the case, we will just say here const. Okay, I'm gonna create here another variable const. I'll just say here updated. Okay, updated to do's. Okay, equal to, we will just use here this set to do's. Okay, this set to do's. Okay, updater function to update. Okay, this to do's array of object. Okay, so I hope you are getting me what I'm trying to teach you. Okay, because it is very crucial, it is very important. So come to the delete method here. Okay, like paste it here, and we'll just say here dot filter. Okay, dot filter. Okay, so we have to sort it out, we have to filter it out based on this id. Okay, based on this provided id. Okay, so we will just do it now. So we will just, it is gonna again take here one callback function, and that callback function will take at least one necessary parameter. So we will just give here to do. Okay, to do. Okay, and based on this I'm gonna use here the filter function. So we will just say here to do. Okay, this to do dot id. So guys, I'm sorry guys. Okay, so guys, now this to do, okay guys, now this to do will loop through. Okay, will loop through this entire array of object. Okay guys, this, okay, this, where it is, yeah, guys, now this to do, okay, will now loop through this entire array of object. Okay, which have been created by the user. I mean the task, or we can say the to do item. Okay, okay, and based on the id. Okay, based on the provided id, based on, okay, this provided id. Okay, this provided id, if it will match, we will just remove it. If it will not match, we will just keep it as it is. Okay, and this to do guys, okay, this to do will loop through the entire object. Okay, entire object inside this to do's array of object. Okay, entire object, to find the single matching id. It will loop through the entire array of object to find the single matching id. Okay, okay, so if this is the case, okay, if this is the case, we will just say here, okay, we will just say here this id. Okay, this id we will just remove it. Okay, so just close this, and if this has happened, so we will just say here. Okay, so now just copy this set to do's from here, and we will just update it. Okay, so we will just update it now. So with this const, okay, updated to do's. Okay, so paste it here. Just close this, just close this. Let me just give you the comment also. So update state or to do's with new uh, newly created object. Okay, newly created object. And now we will just say here the local storage. We will also update the local storage also. So we will just say here local storage dot set item. Okay, local storage dot set item, and we will just give you the key also. The key is, you can see here, the key is here you can see the key is to do's. Okay, so copy it from here and just paste it here and give the comma. We will just say here json dot stringify. Okay, because we can only save the string or the text in our local storage. Okay, so what to update, guys? Okay, this updated to do's. Okay, this updated to do's. Okay, because you can see here I will return the comment also. So create update state or to do's. Okay, or to do's with the newly created object. Okay, so this is it. So now we will just alert the user also. So add the comment also, update the local storage. Okay, so now we will just update the user also. Sol dot fire, sol dot fire, and close this. So now we will just say here so we will just say here updated. Okay, so we will just give you the title. We will say here updated. Okay, put comma. We will give you the text also. So we will just text here text also. Your task have has been updated. Okay, so now we will just give here the icon also. So because it is a success, so we will give here the icon of success. Okay, put comma. Okay, so now guys, I hope our removed method is ready now to be tested. Okay, so save your file and go to the browser, and now put something. I'll just say here give this text only. I don't remember anything. Okay, so give this text. Okay, so hit enter. You can see here task added. Now please add some task or to do's. Okay, so task added. So let me just check here. Task added. Now please add some task or to do's. Why it is saying anything? So I'll say here C++, hit enter. Okay, 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 it is doing great. Okay, so guys, now we can view the task also. You can see please add some task. Okay, so okay, so now we can see here task details C++. Click OK, added task. Okay, so make it 111, hit enter. You can see here updated, your task has been updated. Added this task also, make it to do, hit enter, updated. Okay, now we can delete the task also. I'm sorry. So hit this button, delete. Okay, so cancel it. So cancelled. Refresh the page. You can see here it is remaining here only, it is not gonna be deleted. So cancel this. So now hit it, refresh the page, see it's here only. So now delete the task. Okay, so you can see here updated, your task has been deleted. Okay, so instead of updated we can say here deleted. Okay, we can say here deleted. Save your file and now just try to delete this. Okay, so delete it. You can see here deleted, your task has been deleted, and we can see the images also, we can see the text also. Please add some task or to do's. Okay, so guys, in this way we have created our learn html. Okay, we have created our to-do list app using the local storage for the persistent behavior. Okay, so you can see here, refresh the page. Okay, okay, so cut this page also, and you can see here guys, as of now we have one item learn html. Okay, so cut this page. Okay, and okay, so again open this with the live server. Okay, so now you can see here, boom guys, you can see here learn html is here because we are saving each and everything inside the local storage in our machine only. So you can see here to do's, you can see here learn html. Okay, try to add some more tasks. I'll say here I love to code. Okay, hit enter. You can see task added, I love to code, click ok. You can see here 0 element, first element. Okay, so 0 element is learn html, first element is I love to code. I'm gonna add some more tasks. I'll say here I have to fix my mobile. So this is the task, I have to fix my mobile. Hit enter. You can see here task added, I have to fix my mobile, click ok. You can see here this is the second element. It says I have to fix my mobile. Okay, I'm gonna add here one more task. I'll just say here I hope you guys will subscribe my this YouTube channel now. Hit enter. You can see here task added, I hope you guys will subscribe now my this YouTube channel code. Okay, now okay, so hit enter. Okay, so you can see here this is the third element, and it says I hope you guys will subscribe my this YouTube channel now. Okay, so just close this. Okay, so we can view the task also, view one by one. Learn html, view this I love to code, click ok. View this task, I have to fix my mobile, click ok. View this task, I hope you guys will subscribe my this YouTube channel now, click ok. Added task, I'll just make it one, hit enter. Updated, your task has been updated. Added this one, I'll just give here 2, hit enter. Okay, I'll just edit this. Okay, just make it 3, hit enter. Updated. Okay, added this one. Okay, say here 4, hit enter. Okay, okay. So guys, now as of now we have 4 tasks. Okay, learn html, I love to code 2, I have to fix my mobile 3. Okay, and I hope you guys will subscribe my this YouTube channel now. Okay, so we have got 4 tasks here. So cut this page. Okay, or first refresh the page now. Okay, so just cut this out. Okay, again open this in the browser. So open with live server. See, boom guys, you can see here it remains here only. So now just delete this. So cancel it, it is cancelled. Delete this, cancel the operation. Okay, so delete this, I want to cancel the operation, so cancel it. Delete this, so cancel the operation. So refresh the page. So each and everything remains here only, nothing is gonna be removed, nothing is gonna be refreshed. Okay, so now delete the entire task. Okay, yes, delete it. Deleted, your task has been you can say here deleted. Okay, not updated, we can say here deleted. Okay, so save your file. Now just delete this also. Just yes, delete it. Deleted, your task has been deleted. Okay, delete this also. Yes, deleted. Okay, deleted. Yes, delete this. Yes, deleted. Okay, so now we don't have any single element, we don't have any single task in our to-do list app. Okay, so that's why guys, we can see here this image and the text also saying please add some task or to-dos. Okay, so guys, now just hope guys you have learned something unique, something cool here, and something awesome, and something state of the art. Okay, in this video, in this session with me, Prabhat Pandit. Okay, so I hope guys I mean okay, so I hope guys you will subscribe now my this YouTube channel Code with ER. Okay, and guys, you will like this video also. I hope guys, if you feel guys you have learned something from this video, from this session, then please guys do like this video, which will give me the confidence, which will give me the motivation to create awesome videos like this for you on each and every topic of web development and full stack development also. Okay guys, please guys, if you feel guys you have learned something, from this video, from this session, then please guys do subscribe my this YouTube channel Code with ER. Okay, please guys, and press the bell icon also, and like all my videos also, which will give me the confidence, which will give me the motivation. Okay, so I hope guys we have come to the end of this video, end of this session now, and you have learned something. Okay guys, if you have any doubt, any query regarding this video, regarding this session, then please guys do let me know in the comment section below. I'll try to read it, I will try to address it, and I will definitely try to guys give you the best possible solution. Okay, regarding this video, regarding this session. Okay, and guys, if you want this code, okay, if you want the source code of this video session guys, okay, then just go here. Okay, on my GitHub profile. Okay, so this is the my GitHub profile. Just come here. Okay, and you can download the source code. Okay, you can download the raw source code, okay, of this video, of this session. Okay, from here, from my this GitHub handle. Okay, so okay, and you can guys follow me on like Instagram, on Facebook, on LinkedIn also. You can follow me. Okay, on the Telegram also you can follow me. You can follow me on buy me coffee also. You can, I'm sorry, you can follow me on Reddit as well. Okay, so this is my handles. Okay, you can just follow me anywhere you want. Okay, so okay, so I hope guys you will subscribe now my this channel Code with ER, and you will press the bell icon also. You will like this video also. Okay, so thank you guys for watching my session, for watching my video. Okay, so see you guys in the next video. And guys, if you have any feedback for me, for my session, for my voice, for my tone, okay guys, most welcome. Okay, you guys, you can give me the feedback, whether it is positive, whether it is negative, I don't mind. Okay, and I will definitely try to read it guys, and I will definitely try to implement it in our session, in my code. Okay, from the next time, definitely. Okay, so see you guys in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye guys. This is Prabhat Pandit signing off now.